In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a database in Notion, step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. If you've ever created a database by mistake, no longer need one, or just want to clean up your workspace, this quick process will help you do it safely and correctly. We'll go through everything slowly so you can follow along without confusion. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Notion tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.notion.so. Log in using the account connected to your Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Notion dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Home. This is where you can access all your pages, including the one that contains the database you want to delete. After clicking Home, look through your list of pages and click on the page that contains the database. In this example, we're opening a page that was created specifically to demonstrate deleting a database. When the page opens, you'll see the database already created inside it. This could be a task database, a table, a list, or any other database type in Notion. You might see rows with items already filled in, checkboxes checked, or properties like dates and tags. Now, to delete the database itself and not just individual rows, you need to interact with the database menu. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the database until you see the 6 dots icon appear. This 6 dots button is the main database options menu. Click on those 6 dots to open the menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can perform on the database. From this menu, look for the option that says Delete. Click on Delete. Notion will then ask you to confirm the action to make sure you really want to remove the database. This step is important because deleting a database cannot be undone unless you restore the page from your trash. Click Delete again to confirm. Once you do this, the entire database will be removed from the page. You'll notice that only the page heading or any other non-database content remains. The table, list, or board you had is now completely gone. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a database in Notion. If you ever delete something by accident, remember you can go to the trash section in Notion and restore the page if needed. But if you're sure you no longer need the database, this is the cleanest way to remove it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.